Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and we are standing on Cruisers Yachts brand new 38 VTR. Guys, this is one of the only ones in all of Florida. In fact, it hasn't even made an official in-person debut. That will be in Fort Lauderdale coming up very shortly. The VTR is Cruisers Venture Trek Rome. This boat is designed and built to fit squarely into the adventure category. So we're going to do what we always do and start all the way here at the back of the boat. On the rear, joystick controlled 300s from Mercury. This boat will do well over a mile to the gallon at cruise and into the 40s wide open. You have an incredibly robust activities bar at the back. Not only does it allow you to tow, tube, skis, etc., but gives a very secure portion for boarding and getting off the boat. Speaking of which, on both sides of this rear bench, you have access. It doesn't matter which dock you're on. And for further, this wouldn't be an adventure boat without a fold-down beach patio door, which it has here on the port side. This boat's equipped with engine flushing. That's where your fresh water goes in for dockside beach controls. There is a rear shade, and check this out. They do a very neat hidden grill for a wet bar setup here on the starboard rear of this boat. Of course, you have the second row of seating. And guys, there is more design, interior design coming for this boat with an optional rear cabin. But the way we have it set up is for South Florida with a second seat here in the middle, a large bifold table because all your helm seats, I'll show you on the far side, these all flip. You can very comfortably seat 6 at this table under the expansive hardtop. Now, there's a cabin that is an incredible place, cooled by an 11 kW battery. Grab this link here for the Instagram video on that. The helm, and excuse my water bottle, features one of our first shots at Simrad's new ultra wides. These are the equivalent of 4 9-inch screens at the dash. They do a wonderful job. You have controls mounted at an angle here. At first, you might think we are used to seeing them flat. Let me tell you, if you've ever watched the videos of the Sportfish, these controls you get used to just like that. It wouldn't be complete without Mercury's joystick, charging for your phone, and let's check that last part of this boat, the bow. Cruisers Yachts put an incredible amount of effort into this bow being wider and having more depth than most of what you can find in this segment. It would be very easy to put 3 adults, 4 children across just this bench. A table can stand in the middle, and you could conceivably put an entire family right here for a sunset meal. Of course, that windlass out front keeps you on the hook when you're adventuring through the islands. Guys, I'm Jeremiah, and this is Cruisers Yachts brand new 38 VTR here at MarineMax Sarasota.